Hey friends, and welcome to today's Target try-on haul. I am so excited. There are so many good like winter sweater options in here. Like Target is killing the game right now. I'm so excited to share all these pieces with you guys. And like always, everything will be linked down in the description box in one link so you can easily shop everything that I share in today's video. And if you're new here, you can follow me over on my Instagram, just where I'll have daily sales. You'll see more of my personal life and more things like that. And also I upload videos here on this channel at least 3 times a week, so you can hit the subscribe button and the notification bell just to always get notified. So let's go ahead and hop into the first piece. This is probably one of the cutest ways that I've seen a plain like white cream sweater styled in a while. I love the arms. They go like tight around your your wrist area slash like forearm, and then it kind of bubbles out and has a really nice like detail up here. I just think it's so pretty. It's not itchy at all. It's a nice thick material. Now I would say that this runs a little bit oversized. I did decide to go with size extra small and it fits me perfectly, and then I went ahead and decided to pair some dark distressed jeans for a little bit more of a casual look. But if you want this dressed up maybe for pictures or like a dinner date or something, you could definitely throw on some just like plain black jeans with no distressing or anything like that on, and that would look really great too. And then I just threw on my favorite black pumps from the brand Scoop at Walmart. These are so good, like amazing. Great Sam Edelman pump dupes as well. Very, very comfortable and run true to size. So really, really like this and highly, highly recommend this sweater. Next up is going to be a really cute like sweater dress slash tunic. This one comes in lots of different colors. I just love like this blush baby pink color. It does come a little bit of a lower V, so you might want to wear like a bralette or a tank top or like a bandeau with it if you're worried about that. If you're a mama or you're babysitting at all and you're going to be bending over, that's just something to keep in mind. For size reference, I did get a size small, and I do feel that it might be a little bit big on me. And I think the extra small might been a little bit better, so keep that in mind. That I think it does run a bit oversized, but it does have really nice pockets on it. It's a button down, it cinches around the waist, and you can take off this waist belt if you don't want it, so you can kind of wear it either as a cardigan or as a sweater dress. So I like the versatility of it. I think that's really nice. I went ahead and just paired some leather leggings and my favorite over the knee boots. These are a major popular seller for this Black Friday and for the holiday season. These are going to be on sale. Their whole site where you can purchase these from are 30% off, and then it's a buy more save more. So I will have them linked down below for you guys, but I think it looks really, really cute with this outfit. You could even wear this for like family pictures or something like that. Really, really cute and comfortable, and this top does come in a few other colors. You of course could wear it with like jeans too, and some little sneakers or a little wedges. I think that would look cute too. So lots of options with this. Next up is this sweater. Now this is just more of a longer sweater, like more of a tunic length. I wouldn't say it's a sweater dress, but I love it. First of all, the quality of it feels so, so good. It comes in color blocking, so it's like a tan, a white, a gray, and like a rustic orange color, which I think is so perfect for the holidays and that type of thing. It does come in a few colors. This just kind of neutral tan burnt orange color just really drew my eye, and this is size small, so I would say it runs true to size, and it would look really, really cute, kind of styled how I have it, paired with like some leather leggings and over the knee boots. You could even throw on with just like some cuff jeans and little wedges too. I think that would also look really cute. Target sweaters are some of my favorite, and this one does not disappoint. I love it, and I want to pick it up in like more of the colors because I just think It's just super great. It's very flattering. It fits you all in the right spots. Love the color blocking. And I think the orange complements the brown in these boots really well. And if you're interested in these boots, they do come in a gray and a black color as well. Next up is this pullover. These are some of my favorites. They come in lots of different colors. I love the kind of high-low. They have a nice cute little stitching right here. They're super comfortable. It's like a fleecy cotton material on the inside, so it's so nice and warm. I just love it. And you can, I specifically went with this cream color because I loved that I could wear like any color legging with it. And these are some of my favorite leggings. They're the Fabletics leggings in the 7/8 length, and they're the high rise, so they're actually pretty nice and long. They have really nice zippers on them, and they're just so comfortable in my opinion. I've had the Lululemon leggings, and these are, in my opinion, like, I love them way more. So, and they're super affordable too, so I can leave them linked for you guys down below. They come in so many different colors. And then I just went ahead and paired my favorite little Adidas sneakers to kind of go with the whole athleisure cozy look. And I'm wearing a size small in the leggings and a size medium, I believe, in the top for more of an oversized fit. Next up is this gorgeous sweater. I saw this. I love the pattern. I think it's perfect for the holidays. The little balloon sleeves are precious, and I wish you all could come through the camera and feel the quality of this sweater. It feels like it's a $50 loft sweater. I'm not even kidding. And it's just so warm and cozy. And I saw this and I thought, oh, you could tuck this into a corduroy skirt. You could wear it with leather leggings like I have. You could throw it on with jeans. You could just throw it on with leggings and over the like high socks and wear it around the house. So many options with this. I love the neutral color. This particular sweater design or like the shape of it comes in a lot of different colors. So if this tan with like this pattern isn't really your type of style, it does come in other colors as well. I'll have it all linked in the link in my description box for you guys to shop, but it does run true to size. This is size small, and I just love it. I think the quality, can you guys see just the great quality? It's so soft, not itchy at all. The way that it hugs your neck is just so perfect. Like, I just feel like I'm in my pajamas. I'm ready to go to bed right now. It's great. Again, the leather leggings and the over the knee boots, these are just great staple pieces to pair with any sweater this season. This Sherpa is so good, you guys. It's probably honestly one of my favorites that I picked up this entire season. Just the quality of it, the thickness, the warmth, the feel of it. It's not itchy at all. By far, I thought my favorites came from Express, and this is like the same thing, if not even a little better than the one that I got from Express. So if you're into Sherpas or you've been wanting to pick one up, you cannot beat the price and the quality of this one. Now, I did size up to a medium because I don't like these to fit like fitted. I like them to fit a bit more oversized, and the medium fits great on me, and I typically run an extra small to a small at Target. Has a nice quarter zip. It's like a blush pink, a mauve, and then like a rustic burnt orangey red color on the sleeves. So I think the colors here too are really unique and pretty, which I like. Just goes to around your hip waist area. I just paired some 7/8 black leggings that I wear all the time, and then my favorite little Adidas sneakers. So really cute casual look. Here is another really cute athleisure look from Target. I love this top. The material of it is so nice and cozy, and then it has like a wide turtleneck kind of thing going on up here, so it's just kind of flowy and really comfortable. I'm wearing it in size extra small, and I would say it runs true to size. Now I want you to see like specifically what this material looks like. It's almost like a ribbed fleecy material, so it's super warm. I just kind of rolled up the sleeves a little bit just to add some more like dimension to the arms, but really liked it paired with some leather leggings just for a little bit more of an athleisure kind of going out. But if I was just around the house, I probably would just throw on some like black sweatpants or gray leggings or black leggings, but if I was going out and wanted to run some errands or was going to like a friend's house or something, I would throw these on. I think these look really cute. And then I paired these Super Saga little snake skin sneakers. I thought they looked really cute with the black and the white from this top. So I think this top comes in a few other colors as well, but I thought this white top would match with like any color legging that I would put on, whether you have like a blue or a red or maroon color legging. All of those would work really well with this top. Of this next look, it's more casual. I went ahead and threw on a button-down plaid top, but it's more of an oversized fit because this is an extra small. But I love the quality of it. It's nice and thick, really soft. It feels like you should have spent like $50–$60 on it, but I think it was just around like $24. So great top. It's long enough to cover the bum. I like keeping it open and just like pairing like a regular white shirt underneath and just throwing on some leggings and sneakers. These are like my fave. They're little Adidas sneakers. Super comfortable. I just think this is very casual, but you look like you put yourself together. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any other video suggestions or retailers that you would love to see, you can leave them down in the comment section below. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.